Now, as regards naman, that's external marketing. Now, for internal marketing, I believe that internal marketing matters most. External marketing, you show to the website, the internet, Twitter, etc. Sabihin mo, maganda sa bus. It's more fun in San Sebastian. That's a tagline. But if they come here, and they do not see that it's more fun at San Sebastian, eventually, sabihin nila, bakit naman dyan sa pasti na yan? It's more fun, tangin na yung kalukuhan yan. Diba? So for me, internal marketing matters also. What is internal marketing? Internal marketing is marketing to our market already, to our students, making them feel at home, making sure that their needs and their demands are met. You know, some of our students, they say, we need answers from the administrators. Some of them are, bakit meron tayong athletics team, wala namang varsity? Mga ganyan tanong.
Ano nga po ba?
Diba? Ganyan mga tanong. Now, the previous admin, they would not want to answer that.
Tinanggal na nga po ba yun?
Meron pa rin. Meron pa rin. I will answer later, okay? No, so yun muna, on that matter. So, yung iba nagtatanong, they cannot get answers. Now, the PROI, I can answer it straight in the face. I can tell you why. Because there is a gym. You can use the gym every now and then. You can use it for free. Oh, as a student, you can use it for free. During intrams, you can use it. During your PE, you can use it. Although your PE is, the tuition for the PE is paid to the teacher. Some of it for the maintenance of the school. But the gym, we have courts.
Hindi po
You
ba
can use
pwede
it.
i-reduce yung babayaran doon?
Well, that is the function of the student council.
So, you mean na parang pwede nilang ilakad na bawasan na lang?
Yes, of course. You're the students, you're the client of the school eh.
Yeah.
Diba? You're the client of the school. Now, that's what I'm talking about, internal marketing. For example, are you in favor of having aircon in all our classrooms?
No.
You're not?
Ako no.
Ikaw, are you in favor of having aircon in your classroom? You don't like aircon? Dito ka sa St. Augustine nagkaklase? Okay lang, ikaw.
Tataas kasi.
Okay lang. Alin?
Tataas kasi yung situation, sir.
No.
Lalo ng tataas.
Ito, I'll tell you this. I made a study. If they're going to air condition, the SA buildings lang additional payment of the students will only be less than 1,000 pesos.
Pwede na.
It's better environment since I've been from different schools.
Saka that would be conducive for learning.
Yun.
I could see a lot better.
Pwede sabihin niya, pwede ko lang dito, are students willing to have air conditions? Parang ganun. So that's internal marketing.